Hey everyone, welcome to Java Code Threads. Today we are going to discuss another problem statement. In the given string, we need to find the words which are starting with vowels. Okay, so here is my input string. I love Java. Java is object-oriented programming. So those words which are starting with vowel, we need to print that word. So expected output will be I is object-oriented. Okay, so let's solve this problem. Let's start working on this problem. So what we have to do, we have to use a stream API. For that purpose, we need to convert the string into the array format. Okay. So for that purpose, I'm going to use a string dot split method. So we are going to split by using a blank space. So, okay. So it will return me a string array. So I'll assign it to new local variable. So I'll name it as str array. Okay, so now I have to convert this array into the string format. For that purpose, I'm going to use arrays dot stream is the method. In that stream, we need to pass str array. Okay, so now we need to filter each word in the string. Correct. For that purpose, I'm going to use a intermediate function as a filter. So filter is a predicate, okay, which returns true or false values. Okay. So now we are passing each word to this my filter. Okay. For each word, what I have to do, I have to check each word is starting with vowel. Those word I need to consider. Okay. So for that purpose, what I am going to do, I will simply what I'll do first, I'll generate the first character of this word. So word dot caret is the method. Caret of zeroth position I have to find it out. Correct. So I'll assign this character into the one variable called first char. Okay. So now what will happen over here? So I have to compare this character with vowels. Correct. Vowels are nothing but a, e, I, o, u. Correct. But sometimes my string word will be in the form of capital or in the form of small letter. Okay. So we need to make it as a case insensitive. For that purpose, I'm going to use character uh, class to lowercase is the method. Okay. So it will give the first character in the form of small letter. Okay, so we need to return true when this first character is over. Okay, return if first char equal to a, first char equal to b, first char equal to I, first char o. So whenever this my first character is o a e i o u, it will return this function as a true. Other than it will return as a false. So it's giving some error. Let's see what is the error. Okay, incompatible types char and string. So I made here a mistake. I'm comparing character with a string. So we need to instead of double quote, we need to convert it as a single quote. Okay. Okay, great. So we have done with our logic, and also we have to check another condition. If my word is empty, then we need to return a false. Otherwise, it will throw error. Correct. So var dot is empty is the method, is blank, not is empty. Then in that case we have to return false. Okay, so this is our logic. Now what we have to do, we have to print each word. Okay, we need to print each word. So I'm just printing over here. Okay, so we have done with our solution. Let's see what will be the output. I is object oriented. Okay, this is our expected output. Okay, so some of the times in the terminal operation we have for each, but we have to some of the times interview may ask, I need the output in the form of string. Okay, so in that case, what we gonna do? We will use for the terminal operation purpose. We will use a collect method. Okay, so collect, in the collect we have a one utility class, that is a collector, and collector class is provided one method called joining. So there are overloaded three methods here. You can see we have to use uh, second method, because we have splitted in the beginning we have splitted the string in the form of bank space. So here we are combining or joining the string in the form of by using the blank space. Okay, now this will return me a string. I'll assign it into the one local variable called result. Okay, and just I'll simply print this result. Let's see the output. Yeah, now as expected we are getting. Okay, so yeah, so I'll give one exercise to you guys. So in this string, those character which are started with vowel we are printed. So can you do those words are not starting with vowel, you have to print. Okay, this is a small exercise to you guys, please do it. And this we have solved this by using the logic. Okay, Java logic over here. We can also use regex expression. So in the next video we can see how we can solve this problem by using the regex. Okay, using Java 8 and stream as well. Yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.